Located in the beautiful town of Hanford, California, the Irwin Street Inn is famous for being haunted by 3 different spirits. There are other famous places that are haunted in this town, but we decided to investigate this one. There is occasional slamming of windows, moving of bed sheets, and lamps switching on and off. Guests have said that sometimes ghosts can be seen in the dining area and on the 2nd floor. Strange calls from room 101 have been reported, and people that work there have seen a frail woman sitting in the balcony in seat A33. Well, as you guys can see, we're staying in room 225, and we're upstairs. So I'm gonna go downstairs right now. Very quiet here. I think there's this like a dining area. But this is the bar area. Do is see if we can get any activity on this area. All right, apparently this is the restrooms. Not sure if this is open right now. Wait a minute. Getting some kind of activity here. Is anybody here? You can hear something. Probably, I don't know, some water drops or something inside. Let me see. Hello, is anybody there? Can anybody hear me? Well, right here, this is the middle of the hotel. Alright, let's see right. What?